Eight best life insurance companies in November 2023. The life insurance market in the US is competitive, made up of a mix of long-standing insurers and never insurtechs that sell policies online. To narrow down our list of the best life insurance companies, we looked at customer complaints, data, consumer experience, and financial strength. We also assessed the types of policies or offer and the ways you can buy coverage. Based on this factor, these are our top life insurance companies for 2023. Why you can trust NerdWallet. Our writers and editor follow strict editorial guidelines to ensure that content on our site is accurate and fair, so you can make financial decisions with confidence and choose the product that work best for you. Here's a list of our partners, and here's how we make money. How much does life insurance cost? Monthly estimate for best health, good health, average health. Our picks Our picks for the best life insurance companies in November 2023. Our picks for the best life insurance companies in November 2023. All of the life insurance companies listed below score 5 out of 5 stars. And they are hundred of insurance completing for your business, often selling very small products, similar products. So it's smart to compare life insurance criteria from a few before making a decision. Ensures NerdWallet rating. Policies offered. Mass Mutual 5.0 rating, NerdWallet rating. Term Wall Universal and Variable Universal. Heaven Life NerdWallet rating. Policies offered. Term Guardian 5.0 NerdWallet rating. Term Wall Universal and Variable Universal. Northwestern Mutual net value rating 5.0, term wall universal and variable universal. New York Life net value rating, term wall universal and variable universal. Pacific Life net value rating, term universal, variable universal and index universal. State Farm net value rating 5.0, term wall and universal. USAA NerdWallet rating, term universal and in universal. How we rank the top life insurers. NerdWallet life insurance rating are based on consumer experience complaint index score from the National Association of Insurance Commissioners for individual life insurance and weighted average of financial strength rating, which indicate a company's ability to pay future claims within the consumer experience category. We consider ease of communication and website transparency, which looks at the depth of policy details available online. To calculate each insurance rating, we adjust the score to a 5-point scale. These ratings are a guide, but we encourage you to shop around and compare several insurance carriers to find the best rate for you. NetWallet does not receive compensation for any reviews. Read our editorial guidelines. How we review life insurance companies. In our life insurance review, our team considers the customer and the insurance. These are some of the factors we take into account. Policies offered. There are many type of life insurance on the market, and they fall into three key categories. Term life insurance offers temporary coverage and a guaranteed payout if the policyholder dies during the term. Permanent life insurance typically lasts lifetimes and builds cash value that can be brought against in the future. No exam life insurance coverage without the need for a medical exam. Financial strength, we use AM best ratings. AM best rating to confirm and ensures long-term financial stability and ability to pay claims. For life insurance, NetWallet typically recommends considering insurance with rating of A or higher. Here's the breakdown: exceptional A plus, A plus plus, strong A minus, and A point. moderator B, and B plus. Complaints. These ratings are based on complaints to state regulators relative to a company's size according to 3 years worth of data from the National Association of Insurance Commissioners. The best life insurance companies have fewer than the accepted numbers of complaints by online. This indicates whether an insurer allows you to apply for and buy a policy completely online. Dive deeper rating methodology for life insurance. Best life insurance companies, pros and cons. Best life insurance companies, pros and cons. Learn more about our top life insurance companies in 2023 by reading the brief summaries below and checking out our comprehensive reviews. Jump to Mass Mutual, best overall. Hamel Life, best for online experience. Guardian, best for application with a history of HIV. Northwestern Mutual, best for consumer experience. New York Life, best for high coverage amount. Pacific Life, best range of permanent life insurance. State Farm, best for customer satisfaction. USA, best for members of the military. Best life insurance company overall. Mass Mutual, best overall. Mass Mutual. Bottom line, Mass Mutual offers a solid range of term, whole, universal, and variable universal life insurance plus free coverage for low income partners. Company overview. Mass Mutual Life Insurance, often shortened to Mass Mutual, is one of the largest life insurers in the country, founded in 1851. Found in 1851, it offers a wide range of products from term life, variable universal life insurance, a type of permanent policy with a flexible premium and investment opportunities. Mass Mutual is mutual companies which mean it's owned in part by its policyholders and pay out dividends to qualifying members. Its 2024 dividend payout is said to be the highest yet at almost 2.2 billion. Almost $2.2 billion. Read the full reviews. Mass Mutual Life Insurance, best life insurance companies for online experience. Seven Life. Heaven Life Company Overview. Company Overview. Heaven Life offers terms life insurance with accelerated underwriting, a process that uses algorithms and data to quickly assess your insurability. The entire application process is conducted online, and the company says it can be completed in about 25 minutes, which Heaven specialized in one type of life insurance. It offers choices for its customers depending on the policy you pick. You could buy $25,000 to $3 million coverage and choose a term lasting from 5 to 30 years. Heaven Life policies are issued by Mass Mutual, which drew significantly fewer than expected customer complaints for a company of its size. Best life insurance company for applicants with HIV guardians.
And guys, see more. And if you want a new video, so don't forget subscribe to Adish official channel. Bye.